ॐ श्री पतञ्जलि महर्षि देवाय नमः. Now let's begin our pranayama section with pranayama mantra. प्राणस्येतं विषे सर्वं त्रिदिविये यत्प्रतिष्ठितं मा देवपुत्रा न रक्षस्व श्रीश्च प्रज्ञाञ्च विदेहि नहिति.
Pranayama. Prana means life force and ayama means regulation. It is balancing and regulating the vital energy through the breath. During normal breathing, only 10% of exchange of air take place inside the lungs. Generally, our lower lungs and upper lungs remain unused. We can increase this percentage by deep breathing and so oxygenate our body tissues and cells. Postures for pranayama: Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana. Cooling pranayamas: Sitali, Sitakhari, Sadhanta. Today in our pranayama section, let us practice Sadhanta pranayama. Sadhanta pranayama is one of the best breathing practices that have a cooling effect on the body. It brings down the body's inner fire. It allows the air to be inhaled in through the sides of the teeth. Now let us perform Sadhanta pranayama. Sthiti, sit in Vajrasana. Place the palms resting on the thighs. Let the upper set of the teeth touch the lower set of the teeth. Keep the tip of the tongue just behind the teeth. Inhale through the surfaces of the teeth and feel the cool air moving slowly and continuously into the mouth and passing down the throat into the lungs. The warm air is exhaled out slowly through both the nostrils. Feel the warmth of the exhaled air. This completes one round of Sadhanta. Repeat for 9 rounds. Inhale, exhale, 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 relax. Benefits of Sadhanta pranayama: it helps to release excess heat in the body and cools the mind. It is very good practice, especially during the summer when the temperature is high. It is good for digestive system as it stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which decreases the chances of indigestion, helps with hypertension and prevent acid reflux. It also helps in disorders of the organs in digestive system. The release of excess heat in the body also has a calming effect that stabilizes the blood pressure. The calming effect is good for people who have anxiety and depression as it removes the mental tension. Precautions of Sadandha. It is not good for people who have respiratory problem like asthma. People who are suffering from cold should not avoid this unless fully healed. This pranayama should be practiced in a quiet and clean place.
Now let's conclude our section with Shanti Mantram. Adapt Namaskara Mudra and close your eyes. Sarve bhavantu shukinah, sarve shantu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkhabad bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.